Hey, Stephen, this is Ronnie Trawick from Vapor Trail Marketing. This is the screencast that I promised to send you. Um, since you don't have a website, we're going to go ahead and start here on Google. As you can see here, I just put in accounting services in Macon. And the first thing that comes up is this, what we call the map pack, or this is where people's Google business profiles show up. I searched for you. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like you have one, which is something that we can work on together if you'd like. But I wanted to throw out some quick things about this here. Fun fact: the businesses that are here in the top three of this, they receive 30 to 40% of their website traffic by being in this top three position. Um, and how you get here is by, well, first off, you have to have a Google business profile, which used to be called the Google My Business, but they changed it earlier this year. Something that is really important about this is having 5-star reviews. So you can see here, these people only have a couple, so they're easily beatable if we were to put out an all call to your customers to review your Google business profile. Um, by having at least 25 or more high ratings, you can get up here. Additionally, you want to make sure that on any citations, which are basically business listings on different directories in online, that all your information is correct. Your name, your business name, your address, your phone number, all that is very important, including your email and web address if you have a website. Uh, if it varies at all anywhere, it kind of flags Google and makes them suspicious, and it makes it a lot harder to rank up into here. Um, Another thing that really helps is by having, let me click here, is by having branded and geotagged images on your Google Business profile. That can really help you out a lot. Um, it kind of shows that you are building your business in an organic fashion, and Google really likes that. Um, the citations that I mentioned, you want quite a few of those. Google works like a popularity contest. The more websites that point to you and link to you, the better you look to them, the more quote unquote legitimate you look as a business. So those are some tips on having a Google business profile and how to optimize it. We're going to go ahead and scroll on down here. Remember, this is accounting services in Macon. And first thing that comes up is Yelp. We're going to skip that. And then the first people that come up here are this Malden and Jenkins, which turns out it's actually kind of a franchise, I think, because there are offices in Atlanta and Macon. And that's what's really putting them up here at the top. The next one, this is Chamber of Commerce, is this Christy Jones CPA, also from Macon. And then I also searched for accounting services in Middle Georgia and pretty much got the same results. That's State University. Here you go. Here's that Malden and Jenkins again. Um, and then here's Middle Georgia Tax Service. This is out of McDonough, though. But let's go ahead and take a look at that Malden and Jenkins website, see why they're ranking the way they are. So this is a pretty good looking website. It doesn't have as much content as I would like to put on there to really be optimized for Google. You want between 1,500 and 2,000 words on your home page with keywords sprinkled in there. And what keywords are the words that people are actually going to punch into Google to search for your business. Um, Something else that I really like to do that can help with salting in keywords and keeping this from being too busy looking is when I pictures on a website and I save them as keywords. You can see here this one's saved as Macon Accounting and Financial Services. But if you look through, I think all of their images are saved as the same thing. So they're really missing out on a opportunity for some optimization here. Um, yeah, see, download. That's probably not the best way to do this. Uh, Now we're gonna flick over to a tool that I use to look into websites. So, like I said, they're a franchise service. So this is the Macon page. And the main things we want to look at here are this UR, DR, backlinks, and organic keywords. Remember, keywords are the things that people are typing into Google to search for you. So the UR is the trust that Google has in your website. The higher this is, the easier it is to rank. And 13 is good, but it's still kind of low. And then the DR here is the strength of your website, and this is uh, kind of a direct reflection of your backlinks, which this particular page only has 4. Um, and then again, like I said, they have 8 keywords. So getting your keyword count up can really help. And then having good high quality backlinks. But now they have a DR of 41 here, which is pretty high because their main page, their Atlanta page, has quite a few backlinks. And this page, this Macon page, is actually linked to it. Now let's check out this other website that came up. Um, Again, another website that it's a good looking website, not a whole lot of content, which can make it easy to beat. And again, they didn't optimize the photos in here and kind of saved them all as the same thing. So uh, they missed out on an opportunity for some free SEO there. Let's look at the tool for them. All right, you can see here they have the trust Google has in their website is an 8, and their DR, which is remember the strength or the power of their website, is zero point 0.6. They're running 28 backlinks from 11 different websites, and looks like they've got 19 keywords, which is pretty decent. The other companies beating them out on backlinks because of their Atlanta page. With that, that's pretty much the end of this presentation. If you have any questions or like to know any more about this, please feel free to contact me. You have my information, and we can discuss more what can be done to build out a website for you and get it ranked, as well as building out a Google business profile for you and getting it ranked up here as well. Thanks for taking the time to watch this, and I hope you have a great day.